Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. May peace and blessings of Allah be upon you. So today in this tutorial I'm going to show you about the navigating tools in Sketchup, which is going to be the second video of this series. So before starting this tutorial, I'm going to show you the very important thing about the 3D warehouse of Sketchup. Whenever you go to the Google and try to type here 3D warehouse and go to the first website, and you'll be finding this kind of some website available to you, and just try to search whatever you want to search. I have just searched home here, and I got this very good looking home. In order to download that thing, just click here, and whatever version of SketchUp you're using, just select this, and then you'll be able to download that thing. Once you're done with the download, you can actually open that thing like it's actually done in the download tab. Just copying it, putting it at the desktop like Ctrl+V, and then something what I'm going to show you in the SketchUp. So I'm just clicking on this file and clicking on open, and getting back to the desktop, clicking here and then open. No, come on, open up. Yeah, you can see here how it is actually looking. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you navigating tools on this particular house. In order to go for navigation tools, what you can do is you can actually go for actually this thing camera, and after going for the camera, you can see here I'm having orbit, pan, and zoom. These are very important navigation tools. So in the camera you'll be finding all those things. So it is also having the shortcut keys like O, H, and Z. Orbit, O, and pan is actually H. I'll say you why it is not P and it's actually H. Usually when you go for pan, it is going to show you this kind of hand. That is the reason it is having the shortcut key as H. Actually, P is already having its own important shortcut key, like something which is very important for the P. So zoom is also there, like Z is the shortcut for the zoom, and even the field of view is important, and I'll be showing you how the other things are also. But let's get started. The first and the foremost thing is very important, the orbit thing. When you click on this orbit, you can see here how my cursor has begun. Now when I'm just left clicking it, you can see here how I am able to just orbit this home, and I'm able to see how all the different kind of parts of this home. The next thing is this thing like pan or hand. You can see here I'm getting this hand. Just left click and you can see here how I'm able to pan my home. By being in this hand or pan tool, you can just click middle mouse button and you can see how I will be able to orbit it, and even when I'm in hand tool, I'm just left clicking it in order to pan this thing. Again, click the middle mouse button in order to orbit and pan and orbit and pan. So if you are using the hand, it is very easy and simple. Just click it and middle mouse button, and you can be able to orbit this thing, and you can actually able to pan thing as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go for again camera, and you can see here I'm having an option zoom. So just click here and you can see here how I'm able to zoom out and zoom in and zoom out and zoom in. This is how things are going to be. So that was about my 3 navigation thing. Now let's see another very important navigation thing, that is I think about field of view. So when I'm going to select this field of view, you will be able to see how the field of view will be changing of your visualization. So when I'm clicking it, you can see how things are going to become more and more. Now if you can orbit, you can see how things are looking like. But if you're going to change this field of view again or downside, and now you're trying to orbit things, you can see how things are going to be. This thing is very useful when you are going if you want to see something which is like very small. By having the field of view, you can see many things at a time. It is going to use in the camera, by the way. So that is about the field of view, and the next thing is about zoom window. If you want to have a window and that thing needs to be zoomed in, this is what you can do that. And the next thing is zoom to extent. Just click there and you can see how everything is going to be zoomed to its extent part. So this is how the things are going to be in the navigation tools. So that is about the tutorial in the navigation part. I will be just giving you an overview about these 3 things, which is very important: orbit, pan, and zoom. For orbiting, it's better not to use this thing. Just click your middle mouse button in order to orbit. That's very helpful. And the next thing is about the pan. Try to be always in this pan thing, so that you can be seeing the things very easily. Like panning it, and even the orbiting part also. And finally, zooming in and zooming out by having your middle mouse cursor scrolling up and down. So these are the very important navigation tools you will be using. So that is about the tutorial. We'll be seeing in next tutorial the other part as well. So until that, Assalamu alaikum.